Has your JBL BoomBox 2 suddenly stopped charging, leaving you unable to enjoy your music? Many owners notice that the battery percentage doesn't increase, the charging indicator fails to appear, or the speaker refuses to power on after being plugged in. While this can be frustrating, the issue is often related to the charger, power source, or a temporary system glitch rather than a failed battery. In many situations, a JBL Boombox 2 not charging problem can be resolved with a few simple checks. Before assuming the speaker needs repair or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal charging functionality. 1. Disconnect the speaker from power and inspect the charging cable and adapter for any visible damage. 2. Plug the JBL Boombox 2 into a different wall outlet to rule out a power source issue. 3. Make sure the charging connector is fully inserted and free from dust or debris. 4. Leave the speaker connected to the charger for a while without attempting to turn it on. 5. Press the power button and verify that the battery indicator shows normal charging activity.